Okay, we're still here in the truck, and I just ran the same key on, engine off, on demand self-test in FORscan on my truck again with the fuel pump driver module disconnected. Now, if you recall, before we had P0627, which was, I think, fuel pump something circuit A open. And I was like, okay, fuel pump. So I just pulled the module. I'm down there probing. So anyways, I came back here. I was like, what does this look like on FORscan when I pulled the module? Blah, 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 blah. We'll run this test. Sorry, this is taking way too long. So it's running the test. The test is done. Now check this out. This is what I get now. Whoops, I'm hitting my freaking power seats. Do you ever do that in these trucks where you like leaning on the seat and then the thing starts moving? I do it all the time. It drives me crazy. So check it out. P0, what is it? I forget. 25A, which says fuel pump module A, control circuit open. So there you go. It can't even see the pump, obviously. So that leads me to believe it was able to communicate with the fuel pump module, at least, because now that I've disconnected it, I'm seeing different stuff, which obviously lost communication with fuel pump module, which is U0109. This one's completely unrelated. I have a feeling it's related to my tune. Sorry, I didn't show you these other ones. Whoops. That's the communication to the module. That's the actual circuit open for the module, right? Yeah. So it doesn't even see a load, which it expects. So I'm thinking the fuel pump is dead because with the module connected, it sees the module, is communicating with the module, and then it doesn't see a load at the fuel pump. It sees it open at the fuel pump. So I have a feeling the motor in the fuel pump is just open. It's either open or dead short, but I expect it to be open. So anyway, just weird troubleshooting nerd stuff. I just did this more or less for a sanity check. I didn't really, I don't know. We learned some things, but like what value does it have? I don't know. It just kind of supports my theory that the fuel pump's dead, I guess. And it might not be that at all. I don't know. We're still learning.